In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone any website in Base44 using AI. We'll be working inside the official Base44 platform, and the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. The goal here is to give Base44 a website URL and let its AI assistant recreate the layout and styling for you, so you can save time when building a similar structure. To begin, go to Base44 and make sure you're on your account dashboard inside the official platform. Once you're logged in and looking at the main dashboard, open the AI Assistant workspace. This is where you'll interact directly with the AI and give it the instructions it needs. After that, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Home. This will bring you to the main area where you can start a fresh request. It's a good place to begin if you want the AI to focus clearly on one task without extra distractions. Next, find the target URL of the website you want to copy. Open that site in your browser and make sure it's the exact page you want Base44 to reference. This matters because the AI will use the page you provide as the basis for the layout and visual structure. Once you've found the correct page, copy the full address from your browser's address bar. Be sure to copy the complete URL so the AI can access the right destination without confusion. A partial link or the wrong page may lead to a different result than you expect. Now go back to Base44 and paste that copied URL into the main AI prompt chat window. This is the central input area where you'll provide both the link and the instruction telling the AI what to do with it. After pasting the URL, type a clear command such as clone this website or recreate the layout and styling of this URL. Keep your instructions simple and direct. Clear prompts usually lead to cleaner results, especially when you want the AI to focus on design and structure rather than making creative changes. When everything looks ready, press enter and allow the AI engine a few minutes to read the page, scrape the necessary information, and start constructing the framework. Depending on the complexity of the website, this may take a little time, so be patient while it works through the request. Finally, wait until the process is fully finished before reviewing the result. Let the generation complete so you can see the full output as intended. Once it's done, you'll have a cloned version of the site structure created inside Base44 ready for your next steps.